Hello and welcome to IT Skills 360. I am your host RJ and today we are going to talk about what and where to learn programming. Now, in the last two episodes, if you have watched, basically we talked about why IT career is rewarding, it is challenging, but it is definitely interesting and it has very good opportunity even during the difficult economic times. So you got convinced that IT career is the one to go for. However, when you started looking around to learn something in the IT field, you realize that oh my goodness, there is an IT jungle out there. There are so many languages, there are so many resources, there are so many sites, there are so many tutorials. What do I learn? How do I learn? All of that. So to simplify this, let me help you out here. Let's consider the question in a different way. Let's focus on what is in demand and what is easy to learn. From both angles, if we come up, the answer will be clear. So what is in demand? Well, we are in a connected world. We are living today and everyone is on the internet. We all do different activities, but who creates all these websites where we can basically read, we can watch, we can shop, we can chat, we can also learn. So all these content or these activities that we can do on the internet, somebody has to put on the web some of those contents. So who is doing it? Obviously they are web or mobile app developers. They are creating this kind of website. They are very interactive, they are very useful and helping you do what you want to do. So if someone is knowing how to do this, obviously that skill will be definitely in much demand. So the answer for the skill in demand is web development. So now, okay, if that is the case, then what are those languages that is worth learning? And I would suggest you start very simply with HTML, which is called hypertext markup language, and after that you also should learn JavaScript. These two are the pillars or the backbones of majority of the websites in the world today. Of course there are many other things after this, but even these two basic things will take you to a long way in the IT career. And there are so many cases, there are so many people who have learned just these two, and they have become very good programmer. They are earning very well, or they have their own business, they are doing freelancing. There are so many options out there. So I would suggest simplify, don't get confused with lots of other languages and all. Just start simple basic things. Once you master that, you will automatically be going to the next level. So my suggestion is you start with HTML and JavaScript. Now having said that, the next question would be, so where do I learn this HTML and JavaScript? Well, again, there are so many courses and sites and all. My suggestion is very simply go with freecodecamp.org. I am not a affiliate with them. I just have seen that website and it's a great website, so I just recommend that. Why? Because it is very easy. You can do hands-on things and there is no need to install anything. It's actually everything is in the browser. That's all you need and you will start learning. Best of all, it is free, so you can beat that also. Here is one inspiring message I read on the same website, and what it says is 2 months, two internship offers, one front end offer. I mean, that is unbelievable, right? In just 2 months, somebody is getting some offers. Read this message. Hello, guys, I got some great news. So, I started FCC, which is Free Code Camp, about 2 months ago. I zoomed through the HTML, CSS, JavaScript courses. And read, it says zoom through. I had a bit of those preset projects from FCC in my portfolio. So, everything is through FCC. As you know, coronavirus is rampant and everything shut down. I thought to myself, why not start applying for internships? I didn't want to do jobs yet because I thought I would get a little starting experience. So basically, that's a spell mistake. Through my resume randomly and sporadically everywhere, I can't believe it. I got two internship offers and one front end developer position. I'm very excited about this. Just wanted to say it really is possible. These are the keywords, my friends. It really is possible. I didn't think so when I started, but stick in there and you will make it. Guys, this is the message I wanted to throw in. So I'm not just saying for the sake of it. Here are the so many other such messages you will find. but the point is you have to do it. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is even to take out any of your excuses to help you get started and live out without any excuses on your behalf, on your part. I have created a jump start intro to free code camp video itself. Now I'm not going to go solve all the problems. Okay, I'm just going to show you what it is about, how to do it, and how easy it is. So even to take out your fear to go to a site without anybody's help, or I'm basically going to hold your hand to start with, and then I'll let you to start playing. So the link is in the description below, or also at the top I'll show up. And my suggestion is basically start learning, keep focus. Okay, while you are learning, I will also create another video on how to focus, how to get a better productivity out of whatever time you spend on learning these languages. And I would say just finish each module one after another, and you'll be on your way to becoming a great web developer. Be IT inspired, my friend. Be IT inspired. All the best. Thank you.